Hello friends. Welcome to an awesome tutorial for 8-ball pool. I will show you the simplest way to pot the number 9 on break. This is a one-hit guaranteed win shot. I have made this multiple times on different tables. Easy to win. Here are a few things to get right. I will show you where to position the white, then where to aim in the pack, and finally what spin to play the cue ball. These 3 steps will guarantee a successful pot of the number 9 ball. Let us see the pot quickly and then I will explain step by step. The same technique I will explain later. Position, aim, and spin. Here it is as a glance. Again in slow-mo. And now the tutorial. Here we go. Move the cue ball exactly to the corner pocket. Make sure it's aligned to the middle of the pocket. Take your time on this one, it's the most important step. If you need, stop the video and take your time in placing the cue ball. I guess you now have the cue ball positioned. Now let's aim to have maximum impact. So here you are trying to hit ball 1 at the extreme bottom. Watch how I align my aim right in between ball 1 and ball 5. Take your time, this step is very crucial. And now the final step, adding spin to the cue ball. So here a top spin with a little right. As you can see a little to the right just off the top. Again, take your time and be patient as this is the final step. The right spin is very important for this shot. One final time, here we go. Watch it, I will slow it down in the next frame.